I did want to ask you too. You've noticed this through several science articles if you peruse around the internet, but they seem to be so behind many of these science sites. I see very few that are up to date at all. Like the missing link talk
Oh,
lately. There's Australopithecus, a different version was a different species was discovered this year, and they're always talking about a missing link that, or this is the new Lucy, or what have you.
we're all
And
links. We're all
yeah,
links.
they're all part of the same linkage. And the thing is that I have seen these articles sometimes word for word reprinted over a 5 year period. What was it that I was would piss me off? So I finally just muted the word out of my Google search. I think it was dark matter.
Oh,
Every week or so, they discovered what dark matter is, and they finally know what dark matter was. So I was sick of reading that. And the missing link thing is another thing that raises my ire because they're never going to be find the one perfect link that binds us. They'll know more about our evolution, but I get sick of this one missing link talk, and I'm
well, yeah.
particularly tired of how they take these articles and then reuse them over a 5 to 10 year period.
Yeah, dark matter is the thing that gets to me because it's like they haven't shown or nor proven dark matter. They've shown the effects of dark matter. There's a thing called modified Newtonian dynamics, MOND, that explains a lot as well and some better than uh, so-called dark matter. Uh, it wouldn't shot. And again, I've argued with scientists on social media and whatnot. Is that mathematics is not a part of the cosmos. Mathematics is a language that we use to describe the cosmos. And I can very easily imagine if there's other intelligences out there that are at our level above, that their view of the universe through different sensory organs, they would have a mathematics totally. They might look at let's say they have astronomy or something comparable to astronomy and they know about the basic structure of matter and the universe. They might have something that they might have a sensory organ that's evolved that we have no clue about, and they may see order in the cosmos and see it much more simply than we do and better than we do because maybe they're a million years ahead of us in evolution, evolutionary terms, with these different organs. And I'm just the anthropocentrism of human beings is something that we really find very difficult to get beyond. And when I say we as a society and as individuals, I always fight against it. I do it when I talk, for example, about animals like my cats. I call them he and she. They have sexes. They're not its. An it is a rock. A rock is an it. You know, uh, a plastic toy is an it. My plate that I eat a sandwich from is an it. A dog or a cat or any kind of animal is either he or she.